Excel conditional formatting escaping a question mark. I would like to use a conditional formatting rule in an Excel file that would color any box with a question mark in it red. It seems that Excel is using a question mark as a wildcard and will turn all cells with at least one character in them red. How can I escape the question mark? These don't seem to work. Question mark. Backslash. Question mark. Question mark.
Prefix it with tilde. The tilde is an escape character for special and wildcard characters in Excel. You can use escape characters to provide literal representations of characters that otherwise have a special meaning. You can also use tilde, followed by, or to find question marks, asterisks, or other tilde characters, for example, Fi91 tilde, finds Fi91.
Change the rule to cells ending with. This will color all cells with a question mark assuming it is the last character. Also you can use specific text and GT, contains and GT. This tells Excel to ignore symbol command and treats the cell as text.